Good day, super excited. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? How are you doing? I'm really excited. How are you doing? Good afternoon, good morning, good day, wherever you're joining from. What's up with you today? Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're joining from. Type in your location. Where are you joining from? Are you in transit? Are you in your country? Are you wherever you're joining from? My name is Mayowa, Owolabi, and you're welcome to the Financial Freedom webinar series. And today's going to be a great time today. I'm really pumped up about what we're going to be sharing today. So, guys, what you want to do right now is to click on the share button, share and share and share. Be a blessing to someone right now, because we're going to be sharing something that will help you as an investor in the financial market. All you need to do is to get a pen and get ready for this session. So while we're waiting for others to join, type in where you're joining from. I'm excited. I'm pumped up. So you want to click on the share button if you're watching from YouTube. You want to click on the share button if you're wherever you're watching from. You want to share. I'm sharing to several platforms that I have access to right now. Good to have you. Good afternoon. Good day. Super excited, guys. Super excited. Super excited. Let's go. Today's topic is cool. I love it. Because a lot of people just want to make money, but they really don't understand how to position themselves, what they need to know before looking for money. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. Before you want to make money in the financial market, what are the things you need to know? Before you want to start making money in the financial market, what are the things you need to do? Before you start making money in the financial market, what do you need to understand? What are the traits that you need to have? Okay, so as you share, please click on the share button. Good afternoon, good morning, good day, wherever you're joining from. My name is Mayowa, Owolabi, and you're welcome to the Financial Freedom series with Mayowa, Owolabi. Wednesdays, we talk about the financial market. On Monday, we spoke about how to plan your investment portfolio. On Monday, it was off the hook. And I'm really pumped up about the knowledge that we share on this platform every single time. So the best you can do for someone outside there is to be able to share the information, share the slide, or share the link, so that somebody outside there can listen to it over and over again. Come on, guys, type in your location. Let me know where you're joining from. Type in your location. Where are you joining us from today? Type in your location. I'm going to be saying that right now. Type in your location. How are you doing? Let's go. I'm pumped up. We're broadcasting on almost all the major platforms today. So I need to also go live on Instagram right now for the people on Instagram. Make sense? Fantastic. So where are you joining from? I want to know where you're joining from. I want to know where you guys are joining from. Let's feed the Instagram audience too right now. Fantastic. Let's feed our Instagram audience too. Okay, guys, super excited. How are you doing? One more time, pumped up. Let me share my screen. Yeah. Good. So if you can see my screen, Fantastic. Let me drop this right now. Kute. So fantastic. So I can I want to be able to share my screen first. Instagram, IG people, what's up with you today? How are you doing? Really, really excited. I'm pumped up about this session today. So the best you can do as usual is to share, help somebody outside there, share. So let me share my slide, guys, so we can get busy right now. Fantastic. Windows. Good. Okay, super excited. Today's topic is trades every financial market trader must have. What are the trades? For the past 2 weeks, I've been emphasizing on the behavior that you need to avoid, the challenges, what you need to fix. But today we're going to be talking about what exactly you need to have, what exactly you need to know, what exactly you need to do so that you can be a successful player in the financial market, either in the crypto space, either in the Forex space, either in the stock space, wherever the industry you want your playing in, this will help you. And if you're really, really ready for this, I want you to type in, I'm ready. Come on, type that on the chat box right now. Let me, on the comment box, let me see that you are ready. Type in, I'm ready. Fantastic. Somebody's saying, how can I contact you one-on-one? I'm going to put my contact for you. I'm going to drop my contact for you after now, okay? Fantastic. So, good. Fantastic. Somebody said, I can't wait. Good. So let's get to work, guys. Let's get to work. Let's get back. Abel, Samuel. So I'll take your questions after now, okay? But let's share. Let's get to work. So good. So for those who don't know me, my name is Mayowa Owolabi, and I've been playing in this space for more than 8-10 years right now. And I like to let people understand that I've been in this space. I've lost money. I've failed. I have used my savings to trade. I have done several things. You know, I had got, the only thing I didn't do was to borrow to trade, which I know some of us we've done. You know, I save a lot of time to put into my account, and I lost those money. And guys, I've been there before where, you know, I prefer to have money in my trading account than to put it, than to eat. You know how that is. So the financial market really got into me. It got into me so much that, you know, I wasn't doing the things I should be doing because I just love to play in that. But guys, so many things were missing. And I like to let you know that I've been there. So I'm going to be sharing with you how I have failed and how I became successful. And that's basically what I share on Wednesdays when it comes to the financial market. Now, for those who don't know me, I'm a businessman and I'm a successful entrepreneur. All I do is that I want to be able to make a difference. I want to be able to impact. And my goal is to help young people, even and old people, to be able to multiply their money as a business person. So whatever you're doing, you're working. you work somewhere, you earn salary, you have a business, you're making money. My goal is to share with you ways you can leverage and multiply your money. By the grace of God, I've been able to found several companies. I'm also the founder of Mayowa company, which focuses on financial market, digital business, and personal development. And this is all I do, guys. I'm also into digital marketing. I have one of our subsidiaries is focused on digital marketing. And soon, we're already in the process of launching the first ever institutional trading platform, which will be going live, and we're also launching the investment company for those who want to invest for long term. We're also going to be launching that before the year runs out. So all of this is in pipeline. And guys, today's session, which is more of training, you're going to be enjoying the best of me as usual. So my Owolabi is Africa's most sought after financial coach, serial entrepreneur. I'm an alumna of Lagos Business School, and I've been playing in this space for more than 8 years, going to 10 years. I've traveled far and wide, so I don't want to bore you with all those stories. So let's get to work, okay? Let's get to work. Why are we here today? Why are we here today? The main reason why we are here is to learn the traits. Now, I'm going to also start something with you that you need to understand that every personality has an habit. So type on the chat box, type habit on the chat box. Type habit. Every personality has an habit. And it is an habit that becomes your character. Your character will become what people will show the kind of person you are. So that means when it comes to the financial market, you need to know that there is an habit you need to have. There's a habit you need to have that will become a character that people will begin to see, and that will also tell in the money you're going to be making. Because I see a lot of people, what they do is that they go to Google, they want to be able to learn how to trade. But when it comes to the financial market, there is more. Everybody on the call, type in more, 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 type in more there. Let me be able, come on guys, type in more. I want some engagement right now. You need those habits so that you can get to where you are going. You need this habit so that it can get you started right. You need this habit because when a lot of people, somebody was chatting with me the other time. He said, Mr. Mayowa, my major challenge is that I don't like to put stop loss. See, for a very long time, when I started trading in this space, I was not putting stop loss. And I've told you over and over again, you need to come to personal realization of the things you need to do, of the things you need to start doing, of the things you should not be doing. But because you will read, you will hear from people, and you will still be doing those things that you've learned. You still be doing those things that they tell you not to do. Why are you doing it? Because you've not come to self-realization. Come on, guys, if you're feeling my energy right there, type in 777 right there. Type in 777. That's a perfect number for today. Type in 777. So the traits, it's what we're going to be dealing with today. So let's get busy with the slide. So introduction, becoming a professional Forex trader it's not just about finding a strategy, practicing the strategy, or making money with it. See, there is more to it. It's not just about the strategy, because I've seen people who have good strategy and they are still not wealthy. I've seen people who have amazing strategy, but they are still failing. Come on, guys, don't be too serious at me. If you understand what I'm saying, type in I've been there, type in one, type in I've been there, I've been there, I've been there. Because this is a missing link. This is a missing link. People are missing out in this because they go after strategy, they go after processes, they go after all of that. Let me check out what you guys are typing. Fantastic, 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 fantastic. So you need all of these, guys. You need this to work for you. You need this to be able to get to where you're going. You need this to be able to leverage. You need this to be able to consistently, be investing money in this space. That's why I'm here today. Now, there are certain traits every successful trader must possess that allows them to outperform the financial market. Amazingly, these traits are developed over time. Everybody on the call, type in over time. Come on, guys. See, I get you. I know you've watched several videos on YouTube and they tell you can start making money in 24 hours. I know. Come on, guys. I know what you've been told. I know a lot of stuff that you see. I know, guys. I've been there. I've been there. I've seen it all. I've been there. I've been there, guys. So you need to know that it is done over time. It's not a get rich quick model. It's not something you will start right now and in less than a few hours you're already making money. It's an habit form over time. And in today's financial freedom webinar, we're going to be focusing on the following. We're going to be talking about discipline. We're going to be talking about patience. We're going to be talking about adaptability. We're going to be talking about mental toughness. See, because when you understand that Bitcoin is still going to $250,000, all you need to do right there is to have grown your mental toughness. I was talking with a partner sometime this week, and the person was sharing with me. He said, "My challenge is that whenever Bitcoin goes up, I sell off. I can't keep my eyes off it. I can't keep my eyes off it." And we all know, I've emphasized on this, that when it comes to wealth creation, you need to think long term. When it comes to wealth creation, it's not done in 1 month. It's not done in 2 months. You know why you're always losing out? It's because you want it quick. And I do share with you, if God if you could take God 7 days to create heaven and earth, but he has the capacity to do it in a second, God still put patience in place. Come on, guys. If you're feeling the typing, I'm here right now. Typing, I'm here right now. Typing, I'm here. Because you need to know that mental toughness, being independent, and having a forward thinking are the things that will help you. And we'll be talking about that today. So number one, discipline. See, I fell a victim of this. As a matter of fact, what helped me most was until I started doing long-term trading. Everybody on the call, type in swing trading. What helped me the most was until I started doing swing trading. Because when I first learned, I learned that I could make money overnight. When I first learned, I learned that I could make $10 a day, $20 a day, $200 a day. And sometimes I even felt I could make more. But in a haste to do that, I trade often. And as I trade often, I lose more than I make, because you are trading often. And that's for me. You know, I share with you guys that the reason why I do this all the time, and I do this by sharing my view, is because I want you to understand that no investor or no trader outside there got there overnight. I know no trader got there overnight. They all had their teaching stage. And today, discipline. So discipline is a key trait for a trader. The market gives you infinite opportunity to trade. You can trade thousands of different products every day, yet very few of those seconds provides great trading opportunities. It is a strategy if a strategy provides about 5 trades a month, it means you only trade 5 times a month. If not, you are attracted to lots of distraction. Everybody type in distractions. Like entering many trades, existing prematurely on holding trades. See, discipline is key, guys. Is key. And it's not something you learn alone. It's something you go through. It's something you go through. It's something you need to experience. It's something you need to experience. You need to go through it to be able to get what you need. Traders require the discipline to do nothing when there are no opportunities present, but must still stay alert for potential movement. Some of us, we babysit our phone, especially the Forex traders. We babysit our phone. Even those that trade Forex often, we babysit. See, guys, stop babysitting trades. You need to understand this, guys. Stop babysitting trades, guys. Stop. You don't need it. Stop babysitting trades. And you need to know that babysitting trades doesn't help. See, because when you start babysitting trades, you go to the convenience, you carry your phone, you are carrying it up and down. And this will allow you to miss out in several opportunities. And I don't want you to miss out in opportunities that will help you. Because, see, guys, take it as quantity versus quality. Quantity versus quality. That you don't need to actively be on the trading. You don't need to actively be fighting trading. And that's why I like to tell people, you don't even need to trade full time. See, because trading is full time for some of us, you trade over trading. The opportunity is not there, but because you want to trade, you enter the trade and you miss out. You enter the trade and you miss out. But guys, I don't want you to do that. So it takes discipline to act instantaneously when trade opportunity occurs. And one of the ways that can help your discipline, I've said this over and over again, is to have a trade plan, a trading plan. When I see this, I will do this. See, come on, guys, come on. If you are learning something, type in "I'm learning." Type in "I'm learning." Type in "I'm learning." If you're learning something, type in "I'm learning." See, I see people come in here and they don't have a plan. There's a saying in the financial market that says, plan your trade and trade your plan. Plan your trade and trade your plan. What is your plan? Some of us, we trade price action, engulfing candle, support and resistance, trend line. That is what we trade. What is your plan? Some of us, we want to catch moves from 5-minute chart and we miss out because we want to trade more. What is your plan? So, I do a lot of free consultation, and so this guy called me one day, and I think he called me last week Friday, and one of the things he told me was, "Mr. Mayowa, I want to be able to," how did he put it? Okay, he said he has a funded account by one of these fund management company. So he has this fund, is $100,000, and is to trade it for 1 month to 3 months, and it must not go less than 10%. And he said right now that he has a drawdown of 6%. And I said, "Sir, what is your strategy?" He said the strategy has been working. He never knew what is wrong. Okay, what is your strategy? So he explained the strategy, and I sat him on the phone. I didn't sit him down because he didn't come to my office. So I told him, I said, "Bros, what you're doing is that you've not practiced the strategy enough before you go pick the trade, because you don't have a plan. You are only jumping and moving with the market." See, trading should not be a 9 to 5 work. See, when you are chasing the market, you've taken over another 9 to 5 job, and that's it. But when you understand the market and you have a plan, your trade plan will save you and will allow you to have discipline. One major difference between successful traders and failed ones is how they handle trading loss, how they handle trading losses. All of this is classified under discipline. And for those who are just joining, my name is Mayowa Owolabi. You're welcome to Financial Freedom series with Mayowa Owolabi every Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. So what we do basically is that we talk about how you can make money online. We talk about the financial market, and we talk about how you can grow your personal development. So Mondays, we talk about personal development because I strongly believe that wealth is spiritual than physical. So I strongly believe that it's not just about hard work. Wealth is more spiritual than physical. So that's what we talk about on Mondays, and other days of the week we talk about other ways to make money online. And today we're focusing on the financial market, which includes the Forex market, the cryptocurrency market, and the stock market. So if you're just joining, make sure you click on the share button. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you share. If you're watching on Facebook, make sure you share. And let's wait for the next 10 seconds. Click on the share button. Adebayo, click on the share button. Adeyemo, click on the share button. Moses, all the way from Accra, click on the share button. I want you guys to share. I want you guys to share. Click on the share button. If you're on YouTube, copy the link. Okay. Ogeji, copy the link and share. Okay. Marcus Bios, good to see you. It's been a while. Okay. Click on the link and share. Help someone. If I can do it for free, it's not because I don't have other things to do, but because my joy is to see you succeed. Okay. So the best you can do for me or for this program is to click on the share button. And if you have shared, type in 1. If you have shared, if you have clicked on the share button, type in 1. I want to be able to know that you guys are really doing it, because this is also part of what will make you a successful trader. Typing, is obedience, discipline. Click on the share button. So Grace Touch FX is from Nigeria. Grace Touch, good to have you on the call, brother. Click on the share button. 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 Fantastic. If you have done that, just type in 1. I've not seen your comment that you have shared. Okay, so, and if you have any question, make sure you have it. I'm going to be taking questions so that every one of us can be on the same page. So the second trait that I want to share with you today is adaptability. Adaptability. Write down on comment box. Adaptability. You will never see two trading days. You will never see two trading days that are exactly alike. This constant different positions possesses a problem when someone looks like a textbook strategy. See, I know that you want to see. Thank you so much, Grace Touch, for sharing. Thank you for sharing. So a lot of time people want to see. Okay, let me let me ask you guys. Let me ask you guys something. Have you been there before when you see a strategy, when you have an approach to the market and you feel that it makes you money, and the second time you came to use it again and it didn't give you money? Come on, guys. If you have been there before, type in it happened to me. You saw a strategy, it made money for you yesterday, and today, the next day or 2 days after, you tried the same strategy, it didn't give you money. Come on, guys. Come on. Typing happened there. See, guys, you need to understand. Even for crypto traders, they need to understand that, see, strategy, a strategy can't be 100%. A strategy can never be 100%. So you need to have the capacity to adapt to what the market is doing. One of my mentors will say, don't chase the market. Only do what the market is doing. Only trade what the market is doing. That's the word. Only trade what the market is doing. So I'm a supply and demand trader. I trade the way the institutions trade. So I only trade supplies and demand, and that's what worked for me. Okay. I know there was a session I trained you guys said every strategy works. Okay, every strategy works. It just depends on the person that is with it, or that is using it. Okay, every strategy works. Just make money. My goal is not to correct your strategy. My goal is that you understand what to do with your strategy and you can consistently make money with that. Come on, guys, if you're excited about this session today, type in I'm excited. Yinka Amos, how are you? Good to see you. Or good to read from you. Come on, guys, if you're excited, type in I'm excited. Fantastic, fantastic. So when they go to implement it, every time it looks different because they're expecting more. They want to, they want to see differently. They want to see the same thing over and over again. And this has allowed a lot of people to lose money. Losses can be opportunities to become a more skillful trader. Losses can be opportunities to become a more skillful trader. So how does that work? How does that work? So what it does for me and you is that if I want to trade, I pen down if I enter a trade, I will pen down how the trade works for me. I will pen down what I need to do. I will pen down how to do it. And when the trade goes against me, I will pen down after meeting all these conditions. This happened. I want to know why it failed. See, when you are questioning why you lose a trade, I can guarantee you are getting better. When you understand, you see, when I told people last year to buy Bitcoin at 4,000, a lot of the people in our community chatted me up. Mr. Mayowa, it has gotten to the level. Can I buy now? I said, go ahead, buy. And when they bought March, I remember it was March 12. The market was around 3,800 and 4,000. Yes. Now, immediately the market got there and I told them to buy. They failed to ask me why were they buying. I told them to buy because it has met my own trading plan. And as an institutional trader, I am 90% guarantee that it's going to move. Now, that 10%, does that mean I'm wrong? No. It only means the market is not ready to go. Oh, come on, guys. When that 10% happens, it doesn't mean that my strategy. See, that is why some of us, we jump around. When you lose one trade, you go and pick another one. When you, come on, guys. When you lose one trade, you'll be making money with that strategy. But as you lose one trade like this, you drop that strategy. You say that you are looking for another one. So that is why I'm sharing with you today, losses can be an opportunity to become more skillful. It's an opportunity. It allows you to be able to ask yourself, okay, so what happened? Is it that the institutions manipulated that level? Is it that they decided to change that level for downward trend continuation? Is it that all of that will allow you to get better? So you need to work with an understanding that losses is part of the game. I've told you this over and over again. You can't become successful without failing. Failure is part of the curriculum in success. Now, you might not fail to lose an account, but you can fail to lose a trade. And if you overcome failing to lose a trade, you can go ahead and go and lose an account. But you must fail somewhere that will make you feel that will make you celebrate success. if that's the word. It just have to happen. It just has to happen. So when I first came out as a financial market trader, Forex trader, a lot of people felt, Mr. Mayowa, can I get a holy grail? Guys, there's no holy grail. Losses is part of the game. So here is another thing that can help you with your losses. Are you ready for this one? So guys, for those that have shared, I will tell you this one. For those that have shared, oh yeah, type. If you have shared, type in I've shared. Are you ready for this one? One of the most consistent approach that can make you win in the financial market is to learn what is called risk to reward. So what it means is that as you start trading and you see that you are not consistent, you need to reduce your risk. You reduce your risk. But you know, some of us, we came with a get rich quick mentality. You have $100, you are risking $25. You are just new to cryptocurrency. You are a spot trader or a leverage trader. You put in your money, you have $100, and instead of you to split that $100 to like 5 or 10 positions, 10 assets, so that you can use it to, or you share it into 5 assets, you put that $100 in one asset. You now start speaking in tongue. God, you know I'm your child. God, let it go. God, let it move. Reduce your risk. Your risk will allow you to stay more in the market. One, reducing your risk will allow you to understand the way you should do it next time in case anything goes wrong. Come on, guys, show some love now if you are learning. Come on, show some love. Type in I'm learning. Type in I'm learning. Come on, guys. Type in I'm learning. Facebook people, YouTube, Instagram. Type in I'm learning. That's it, guys. Because once you get this right, I can tell you, it's going to help you. You will be consistent. You'll be doing well. You will not be running against trade. Like, I'm in about 11 assets now, and I'm not disturbed. I'm not disturbed. Yo has given me over 100%, and I'm still expecting it to go to 400%. I'm in KMD. KMD has done over 80%, and I'm not moved. I'm not touching it. Why? Because I have learned a better way to play in the financial market. I've learned a better, and see, when I came in, I didn't have somebody to share this with me. So come on, guys. You need to appreciate the Financial Freedom Webinar series, guys. You need to appreciate this training. I didn't have anybody to tell me. So I learned the hard way. Amanze, I learned the hard way. Samuel, I learned the hard way. Joshua, come on, guys. I learned it. See, I lost enough money before I came to my senses, like the prodigal son. I learned the hard way, guys. I calmed down. I said, Mayowa, calm down. So, learn to adapt. And for those who are just joining us again, okay, Ayofe Owolabi said, I can't thank you enough, boss. I'm just trying my best. My goal is to empower 1 million people this year. So that's why when I tell you to share, it's not because I just want you to share, because I want somebody to learn this free. I want somebody to learn this free. So the best you can do for me while you are thanking me is to share on your platform, so that people see and they learn and they type in "thank you" for you. Okay, so that's it. So number one, we spoke about discipline. Number two, we spoke about adaptability. You need to adapt with it. You need to adapt with it. You need to adapt with it. And with that, you're good. Are we ready for the third one? The third one is Grace Todd said, I am in the 1 million. Oh, thank you. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. The third one is mental toughness. Mental toughness. And before I talk about mental toughness, one of the things that I see a lot of people do, one of the things I see a lot of people do is that they are not prepared for, they are more prepared for the money. They are not prepared for the lessons. They are not prepared for the lessons. They are not prepared. Okay, for example, there is a program that was run in Nigeria by a company. I'm not going to mention them. And when they launched the program, a lot of people went there and put in their capital, because those companies promised 30%, some people promised 40%, some people promised 50%, and several promises like that. So what happened? Some started complaining when these people stopped paying. And one of the things that, personally, I tell people, it's not a program I recommend. And even if you want to do it, there's a way it's done. And today, I won't talk about that today, because it's going to be outside our. But one of the things I see people do is that they are ready for the profit they want to get, but they are never ready for the other part. And those are investors. And for active traders that are listening to me, you need to be prepared for the losses, which is the mental toughness part. Be prepared for the losses in case this happens, in case I lose this trade, in case I blow this account, in case. These are the things you need to talk about. These are the things you need to be prepared. These are the things you need to prepare for. But I see people, they are more prepared for the money they want to make, but they are never prepared for if anything happens, they are not prepared for it. And once you get this right, guys, I can guarantee you that you will become successful. So how do you do this, guys? You must ask yourself the question and say, I'm currently trading. What else can I do to get better? What else can I do that can make me become calm even when the trade goes against me? That's where mental toughness is. And I'm going to share with you what you need to do to get there and how you can overcome it. That's why I'm cheating. So the market will constantly throw losing trades at you. Normal. Definitely, a lot of time it will. And if you feel discouraged every time you lose a trade, or your strategy fails to produce the result you want, your life, that person's life could be miserable. Like, ooh, I don't like it. Losing trade are constant. Most successful traders lose trades. There is, see, I know you are exposed to YouTube where somebody comes to show you 100 on $1,000 profit, but the person will not come to show you his losses. I know you have, because you have seen that, you have a lot of expectation for the market. And that is one of the that's one of my message, that no, don't be carried away. Don't be carried away. It requires mental toughness to stay focused and on executing trade, on your trading plan, when you realize what you need to do. So when either your strategy is good or bad, prepare for loss, prepare for it. Losses are a fact, is a part of trading, but it's how we react that determines. So after taking losses and moving and continue following your trading plan, this will help you. So you need to ask yourself, what can I do? Another best way to overcome such mentality, use your trading calculator. Everybody type in trading calculator. Those people make me broke with account management. Grace said those people that used to post big money results on YouTube, on Facebook, is that they made him to become broke with account management. I don't. Hi. So guys, let's calm down, okay? So sorry, Grace Touch. Sorry about that. But it's part of it. I'm sure you've learned it. So you need to have what is called trading calculator. Your trading calculator allows you to know your risk. See, if I want to, let's say you want to trade with $1,000 and you are risking 1%. How many trades will it take you to lose $1,000? Type that in on the chat box. Comment that. If you are trading with $1,000 and you're risking 1%, how long will it take you to lose it? How long? Do you know how long? I think it's about 500 trades. Am I right? Yes, I think it's over 100. It's over 100 that will make you lose the $1,000. And when you take 10 trades and you see that the trade is not consistent, you need to stop trading. Thank you so much, Grace Touch. When you take in 100 trades and you pick 100 and you are not doing well, it means go back to demo. That's what it means. Go back to demo. Go back to demo. Go and demo trade. So when you demo trade, it helps you to now say, I'm going back to the market. That's right. But without using the right risk management or right money management, I can tell you, you're going to be missing out a lot of time. And I don't want you to miss out this. How many of us will correct that today? How many of us will correct that today? Type in I will. How many of us will correct that today? You're going to correct that. You're going to correct that wrong expectation. You're going to correct and you're going to start trading with right lot sizes. You're going to start trading with right lot sizes, right money management. Perfect. 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 Once you start it, your mental toughness will start up. Okay? Sometimes being mentally tough means making the hard choice of not trading. Sometimes being mentally tough means making the hard choice of not trading. Is a hard choice. You know, when I tell the student, the people in our community that currently I'm not in any trade, they used to say, don't share this man. Why? Share this man does not like money. I like money, guys. But I've learned to grow my mental toughness to know when to go into the market and when not to go into the market. In our community, we've been holding CAD JPY and GBP USD for more than 3 weeks now. More than 3 weeks, going to a month plus. And that's it. That's it. We've been holding it. I think CAD JPY has given us more than 1 to 40. Then the second entry has given us more than 1 to 15. So we don't need to go and be looking for other trades. We have a trade that is already running. And until it gets to its promised land, and it's going to go long, like go long, that longest. But what am I driving at? Is that mental toughness will allow you to hold a trade when you should hold a trade. That's what mental toughness does. Because what you do is that sometimes you are not even meant to close the trade since it's going in your favor. But you will now close the trade, you will look for another one. All you need to do is take some partials. Everybody on the call, type in partials. I tell the crypto people, take partials. When I gave you guys free, I gave you guys RSR, USDT. I told you to buy RSR. RSR is over 70%. If you need money, you can take partials. Take partials, take some profits. So that's why when I'm trading, especially in the Forex market, I have take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, take profit 4, sometime to 6. Sometime to 6. And also in my crypto portfolio, I take partials. See, there's something that happens to your body when you are in profit. Come on, guys, talk to me. Talk to me. It's like I'm too serious. Come on, guys, talk to me. Am I the only one? When you are in profit, how does it do you? How does your body react? Your body reacts somehow, right? Like your body reacts like close it now, close. Yeah, I know. I know. Guys, I've been there before. I know. I've been there before. I've been there before. But when you have this understanding, I can tell you, you're going to get better at it. So when a trade is going to 500% or 200%, and you see 20%, and you just, 20%. Do you know when they will give me 20%? Hey, let me take this one. Let me take this one. Then you now come out. Then you'll be looking for another one. Come on, guys. If you've been there before, type in, I've been there. So this is very, very important for us. And number 4 is independence. Independence. Some traders learn independence the hard way. They bounce from one mentor to another mentor, or trading book to another trading book, always feeling like they are missing something. Ah, you know what I'm talking about. You will be jumping from one strategy to another strategy. When you go to another YouTube, you see another one, say, this one is another one. See, guys, I've been trading supply and demand now for more than 3-4 years now. I don't want to learn another thing. Do I know others? I know others. But what am I using to eat? What is my community using to make money? It's supply and demand. So in our supply and demand, we now have smart money concept added to it. We have the COT report added to it. We have all of that added to it. So we don't trade the conventional supply and demand. But you don't need to jump around. If your own trading that has been making you $20 when you trade, or 1 to 3 risk reward, is trend line and pin bar, stick to it. Stick to it. If your own is RSI, alligator strategy, stick to it. Except is not consistent in delivery. Stop jumping around. Stop jumping around. Stop jumping around. That's why I don't go to YouTube. A lot of distraction. Destiny distractions are there. Journey distraction. So somebody says, Monson, how does supply and demand works? Supply and demand is where there is a big, yes. So supply and demand is a strategy, and it's the level where the institutions, that is the banks, the big boys, that is where they look for to take their position. You know, they don't babysit trade like retail traders. They go into the trade and they wait for it. The asset I gave you on the financial freedom that I said you should go and buy, RSI, RSR, IRIS, KMD, go and study them. They are all on supply and demand. And they've given us over 200% right now in less than 2 months. If I'm right, yes, in less than 2 months. So if you like that kind of money, 200% in 2 months, before you can get 200% in 2 months, you work now. You know how many work you will do? You will do a lot of work. So don't worry, I'll answer questions after. Let's finish this session. So you need to don't jump around. Now, if you develop independence, taking responsibility early of your education, profits, losses, you won't have those problems down the road. Because some of you, because you've not accepted that losses is normal, you've not accepted that patience is normal, you've not accepted risk reward trading. Whenever you see a strategy go wrong, you will go and look for the next one. But when you accept it, you will correct it. Okay? You will correct it. So when you correct it, it helps you to be able to do well in the market. And it's on the long run. It's not strong enough. It will help you on the long run. Okay, so independent is just developing a trading style that works for you, whether someone helps you or not. Develop that part. Independence is about working to build a personal toolbox so that you can have remedy for your trading instead of relying on others thinking, oh, one of my new students was chatting with me, and he said, I just want you to tell me when to go in and when to come out. I say, this person, you need a signal group. You don't need mentorship. You just need signal group. Signal group is where they will tell you. They will even tell you when to come out. They won't tell you when to come out of the market. So you need to grow that independent and stop jumping from one signal group to another. That's another thing. Number 5, are you ready for this one? Are you ready for this one? Are you ready? So this one is going to help you. Well, I call it forward thinking trading. Forward thinking trading. Write it on the comment. Type it on the comment box. Forward thinking trading. Forward thinking trading. Forward thinking trading. Comment that. So how does the forward, see, the market are not static. How does it work? We can't say we will buy at a certain time in 5 minutes. Traders are constantly planning their next action based on new price formation they receive. So you can't come to the market and say, this is what I want to do. You can't come to the market and say, oh, I will do this. You can't come to the market and say, oh, what do I do? I want to trade now. No. But when you come to the market, you want to react based on what the price has done. It's not what it's based on what the price has done. For example, I said it that we're going to be expecting a major move on Bitcoin. That does not mean that if it doesn't happen, I'm wrong. It only means that he's not ready to go to that place, but it will come there. It will. See, forward thinking helps you to be able to be proactive. It allows you to be able to understand what you are expecting in the market. You need to consider different scenarios that could play out when it comes to the market. And these scenarios will now depend on how your entries will be. Stop losses, target, trade management, position size. See, under different conditions, it could happen anytime. So one of the things I like about forward thinking, for example, I don't like using more than 10 pips as stop loss. So I want to reach 10 pips to make 300 pips, 10 pips to make 500 pips, 200 pips. But it is not going to be happening on all. For example, for GBP NZD, GBP AUD, I need to use stop losses that will be around 15 pips or 20 pips because of the spread. But the major pairs, 10, 6 pips, 8 pips, if it is more than 10 pips, I can say I'm not trading it. Why? Because I've studied it over the time, I've seen this how it works. But when I come to the chart, that does not mean that when it doesn't give me 10 pips, I should say I'm not trading. No. I can choose to trade, and I can choose to say, okay, maybe I'll go to 5 minutes or 15 minutes so I can get the sniper's move entry. So please and please don't be a robot. Be proactive. Don't be a robot. Forward-thinking traders know what they will do, no matter what happens. If this happens, I will do this. That is trading. If this happens, I will do this. It allows you to act and decisively without hesitation, because you already know it will happen. Forward thinking takes practice and consumes a lot of mental energy before entering a trade. Practice well, guys. Practice well. Put in the right knowledge. Do enough practice so it will allow you to grow. It will allow you to grow, and you can get there as you do this. So my final thought today, before I take your questions, is trading is a continuous process of learning. You will learn more from your mistakes than from your victories. Trading is a continuous process of learning. You will learn more from your mistakes than your victories. Oh, losing money should motivate you to look closer at your actions, read more, educate yourself, and become more disciplined in execution. So number one, you learn more from mistakes than your victories, and losing money will allow you to get closer. Will motivate you to look closer at your action. Why did I enter it? Do more, read more, study the chart more, and you can execute. And that will be all for today. And I'm really, really glad you pull through. Let me take your questions before I share one or two things with you. Let's take your questions. Thank you for joining. Okay, Oguji, Joshua, Mind Laboratory. Good to have you on the call. We spoke about trade. Fantastic. What are your questions? Please, so we have a question. Please, can I get the link to invite other people to the platform? Yes, you can. So basically, we used to use Zoom app before, but right now we're going to be doing more on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Okay. So this is available on YouTube. This is available on Facebook. This is available on Instagram. And I have also a free group you can join, which I'm also going to be attaching that to the group, a Telegram group, and we're opening the Facebook group. And all you need to do is to make sure you're in that Facebook group, so that a lot of information. Let me see if I can get the link for you for the Facebook group, so that when you join, you invite people to join. We're going to be doing a lot of information there. Let me get the link for you guys. Good. Let me get the link for you guys. So it's Financial Freedom Webinar Series. Like I told you, the best you can do is to share the link over and over again. So that's the Facebook group. It's a group where we're going to be doing a lot together. We're going to be, I'll be educating you more. I'll be giving free trade setups there. I'll be giving you opportunities, platforms that I've joined that is making me money. All of that, you will be having access to that. Okay, so that's the Facebook group. You can join right there, right now. Any other question? Okay. Grace Touch send me a DM. I'll send you the Facebook group. We want to push more on the Facebook group. We want to take the number to 1,000 between now and next week. It's already about 400. We just it's been there before. We just changed it to the name it should be right now. So somebody's asking, sir, what are the things or factors that drive the Forex market that makes it bullish, bearish, or ranging? Number one, what drives the Forex market is volume. Volume. Volume, number one. Volume. So when the volume is on a currency, let's say CAD, Canadian pair right now, go and check all the pairs. Okay, maybe one of these days, I'll do a Zoom, I'll do a training for the people in the Facebook group on the power of correlation. So let's say CAD, maybe there's a news that is pushing CAD up, it will affect all the Canadian pairs. Like, why? Because as at that time, the CAD currency is very strong. So number one, I tell people is volume. So personally, I don't trade when there is no volume. Number two, another thing that can make the market move for a while is fundamental. Fundamental, because I see people say, oh, news. Guys, I trade, I don't trade news. I'm not encouraging you. Don't forget I have gathered experience. I can't remember the last time I checked Forex Factory. Because I trade volume. I trade with the institutions. See, as a matter of fact, news will make my market, it makes me go in profit. Okay? It makes me go in profit. So, but I don't want to disrupt a lot of people, this thinking, but I tell people the major is volume. The second one is the institutions, when they want to move their money from one currency to another. Now, when there is no volume, what you now see in the market is ranging. So the power of all is volume. So your strength or your strategy should focus more on volume to be able to see that the market is ready to move, especially where you see engulfing candles, or you have your drop-based rally or your rally-based drop, all of that. So that's the strength of a technical technical analyst. But on the other hand, you can check for sentiment, where the money is moving from one to another. You can learn how to use COT for that. COT will help you. Okay? You can go on YouTube. I have a training on COT. Go on Google. You can do other things. Google it, but all those things. You also need to learn how to blend it with your strategy. Okay, so I can tell you the major one I'll share you, except you just want me to tell you all those normal, common responses. The major one is volume. That's what drives the market. So let me give you another example. Let's say I'm in Nigeria and I have $1 billion or $10 billion, and I put it in CAD pair right now. It will shake the market. It will shake CAD pair. The volume will change. Good. That's it. So that's why volume is key. Okay. And the volume is everywhere. In cryptocurrency, not in Forex alone. So, but when there's no volume, there will be ranging. Okay, so Mind Laboratory said we should recap the traits. What's number one trait? Discipline. Number two trait. Anybody? Number two, adaptability. Number three, mental toughness. Number four, independence. And number five, forward thinking. You can watch the replay. if it's still not clear. Number 1, discipline. Number 2, adaptability. Number 3, independence. Number 4, mental toughness. And number 5, forward thinking trader. Forward thinking. Don't forget to share, guys. You need to share this link. Help somebody to help somebody to help somebody. Okay? Let's take one more question. Let's take one more question. Either on Instagram or Facebook. One more question. Okay, cool. So in the absence of no question, for those that wants to join the community, you can DM me on any platform you are, and you will still enjoy 25% discount. Some people join on Monday. So you can WhatsApp me on that number. Only WhatsApp me if you are ready. Okay. You want to join the crypto community. Currently, we have done over 5,700% this year on our crypto portfolio. So if you want to join the crypto group, you don't want to learn, you just want to join. So any assets we mentioned you want to buy, WhatsApp me. You will enjoy 50%, 25% discount. It's a 1-year subscription. It goes for $1,500, but you get it for 15. You get it for $1,100 today. And we have a lot of people that are excited about it. People are making money about it. I'm really, really pumped up myself. So even those that attend the free classes, they enjoy free. I give free assets. So I've told them, if you cannot afford it, the little that I'm giving, the ones I give you, make your money, grow the money, and pay for the paid version. The goal is that if you don't have, at least you have $100, you have $50, buy those ones. When it grows, currently, KMD USDT has done over 70%. By now, you have about $75. We gave you another one. You close that. You buy another one. You grow your money small till it gets there. And for those that can afford it, you have access to all the 15 assets that we have called, but we have 25%, and that is also for today. Okay, at the end of today, there is no more discount. It's just for you to join the crypto group, basically. Okay, we also have you want to acquire Bitcoin, because we know that Bitcoin is going to $500,000 per one. That's where it's going. But nobody knows when it will get there. But before that time, we are acquiring Bitcoin. So we have the same strategy we use to trade assets that are related to Bitcoin. Okay. So we have assets that are, related to Bitcoin. So if you want to acquire Bitcoin, instead of buying one Bitcoin for $1,000, $47,000, you can join the group, and with your capital, you can grow and acquire more Bitcoin. So we have that too, for those that want to acquire more Bitcoin. Then the third set of people in the group, in the crypto group, those that want to learn how to trade themselves. Mr. Mayowa, I am available to learn. I'm an entrepreneur. I can control my time. That one, the training is $1,000, and you have 3-month mentorship. $1,000, 3-month mentorship. oh, Mr. Mayowa, I'm a Forex trader. You learn how to trade Forex. You can join get the course. We focus on institutional trading purely. So we don't institutional trading. Okay. You want the link, you can visit itctrading.info. Okay. itctrading.info. itctrading.info. Okay, you can visit ITC Trading. That's itctrading.info. Okay. So, but because you're listening to me right now, make sure you chat me up. You can enjoy 25% discount today. Okay, today. Okay. And the last but not the least also is that we're going to be dropping a feedback form on the group for you to share your view and what you want to learn. A lot of stuff, okay? A lot of stuff, okay? And you want to send me message, you can send me message at me@Owolabi.com. Okay? The mail will come to me personally. Okay? Email, you can email me there. For those that want to send me email, that will come straight to me, okay? Okay, well, I prefer WhatsApp so that I can attend to you immediately. Okay. Fantastic. So, guys, it's a great day today, and I want to beseech you that what you have learned today, you want to make sure you put it to work. Don't just learn and not put it to work. Because what helped me as a person was that I kept putting those things I'm learning to work, and this has helped me to get to where I'm going. Okay, so that'll be all today. Thank you so much for joining Financial Freedom webinar series with Mayowa. I'm really excited. Don't forget to join us on the Facebook group and also on the Telegram group. And my people on Telegram, on Instagram are asking for 2349020005613. So that's it, bro. So the discount is just for today. So I like to give discount. Okay, because that gives you access to my mentorship. It gives you access to my mentorship. It gives you access to my mentorship. Okay. So that'll be all for now. My name remains Owolabi. I look forward to hearing from you. Even if you don't have the money and you have questions, send me a mail. I will reply. Send me a mail. I might not be able to attend to you immediately, but send me a mail. Once I'm less busy, I'll reply. You need the education, the right education before the money will come. So if you are doing mistake in anything and you need clarity, shoot me a mail. Shoot me a mail, I will reply you. So with that, you can grow. I just want you to be impacted. And that's me. Okay, guys. Have a pleasant evening. My name remains Owolabi. I'll see you guys on Saturday, 4 p.m. Nigerian time, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we're going to be trashing it down deeper in the cryptocurrency space. What you need to do. I'm pumped up right now. A lot is happening. Come on, guys. A lot is happening in the crypto space. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a pleasant evening. God bless you. Bye-bye. Don't forget to share the links and get somebody to help somebody. Bye-bye for now.